night sky is enveloped in an endless nebula, with distant mountains barely visible. A giant dragon soars into the sky, its scales shimmering with a mysterious blue light. The dragon spirals through the air, while below, vast forests and grasslands stretch out. A rabbit leaps gracefully from the bushes, its movements elegant, with a look of alertness on its face. With their hooves hammering the ground and sunlight streaming through their manes, the horses create a symbol of strength and freedom as they dash across the grassland at breakneck speed. The gorilla leaps agilely between the branches, holding a long staff in its hand with a cunning gleam in its eyes. The sky in the distance suddenly turns pitch black, and a lightning bolt strikes across. The outline of the arena gradually becomes visible, with the 4 zodiac animals standing in the center, facing an unknown challenge. The dragon suddenly descends to the ground, with sand and dust swirling around. The horse struggles to resist the powerful shockwave, and the arena shakes from the dragon's force. The runes on the stone walls of the arena emit a mysterious blue glow. The rabbit and the gorilla attempt to decipher these ancient runes, their movements swift and precise. The dragon spreads its wings, and a stream of fire descends from the sky. The scorching flames sweep across the arena like a flood, with the rabbit and the gorilla swiftly dodging. The scene is intensely tense. The horse leaps with all its might, striking the ground forcefully with its hooves, shattering the stone slabs. The powerful shockwave intimidates the entire arena, with dust flying everywhere, creating a spectacular scene. The 4 zodiac animals stand back to back, surrounded by darkness. The runes around them begin to spin rapidly, and the ground of the arena gradually sinks. The dragon and the horse fight side by side. The horse charges forward swiftly, while the dragon breathes a fierce flame, turning the obstacles ahead into ashes. The scene of their coordinated battle is magnificent. The rabbit and the gorilla work in perfect harmony. The rabbit quickly burrows underground, while the gorilla skillfully provides cover from above. The scene is tense and full of strategy. A huge crack appears in the center of the arena, with the power of the runes constantly pouring out. The dragon spreads its wings and flies into the sky, ready to make the final strike. The dragon dives down from the sky, breathing fire from its mouth, and together with the horse, they counter the rune energy coming from the ground. The scene is visually striking. The gorilla strikes the last rune with its staff, and light bursts forth. The arena instantly becomes calm, and with the 4 zodiac animals standing amidst the ruins, the atmosphere is filled with a sense of relief. As the runes shatter, the arena gradually disappears. The 4 zodiac animals stand on a vast grassland with distant mountains and a starry sky, beautiful and serene. The dragon spreads its massive wings and flies into the sky, while the horse gallops on the ground. The rabbit and the gorilla stand on the grassland, smiling, symbolizing victory and friendship. The last rays of the setting sun spread across the grassland as the 4 zodiac animals gazed into the distance, as if a new adventure was about to begin. The scene is filled with warmth and hope. Under the starry night, the dragon stands guard on a distant mountain peak, while the horse runs freely across the plains. The rabbit and the gorilla chase and play at the edge of the forest. The scene is peaceful. In the final, the silhouettes of the 4 zodiac animals are reflected in the dazzling starry sky, symbolizing their friendship and the new adventure that is about to begin.